Yes, the film is about eternal universal theme of truth versus lies, set in the internet age where two people can fall in love or want to befriend somebody who they haven't physically met. And in such a scenario, what happens when truth and lies collide? Not brainwash, see, really thick friends, and they have different outlooks in life. So obviously, both of them try to rub themselves off on the other. In that, there's a lot of friction, the central conflict of the film. No, everybody is in love in the film. There's a lot of fun in the film, there's a lot of humor in the film. Those are the key ingredients. The central conflict of the film is good versus evil, truth versus lies. Yes. सबसे मजे की बात ये है कि जब मार्केटिंग का टाइम आया, प्रमोशन का टाइम आया, तो प्रेजेंटर्स हैं फिल्म के फिर रिक्वेस्ट किया रजत को कि क्या आप फिर से बाल मुंडवा सकते.
Well, firstly, I'm 24 is ready for release. It's nice to see a film that you worked so hard on coming out after a little while. I play the character of Sheila. She is a struggling actress, and the entire story is about the whole internet age and how, there's the guy who falls in love with this girl. He says a small little lie. He's actually 42, but he says he's 24 years old. And how one lie leads to, fortunately or fortunately, he has to cover up. And whether the romance takes off or not is entirely something that you'll get to know in the film. I think Rajat looks great however he looks, and it was funny because when we were shooting the film, we were like, this is Saurabh's fantasy coming true, because he almost wanted to see somebody else look exactly like him, and that's what he did. And I think it's great. It's very important that an actor keeps experimenting. Going bald is not easy. Rajat did it for the film, which is super. It's very comfortable, and to answer how different it is, no, I have to say that it's not very different. Just the 20-30 minutes when you're getting ready and doing your makeup, you're like, oh, you're at work. But once you go on the set, you're like, oh my God, you never feel like you're working because you're working with friends all the time, and बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. And struggling actress, I think after shooting I Am 24, Saurabh also got inspired to cast me in Pappu Khan Dance Sala. It was a little similar, a backup dancer. It's nice because when you work with good people and you work with great set of actors.
देखिए, ये जो शुभेंदु रॉय हैं, किरदार में अदा कर रहा हूँ पिक्चर में. शुभेंदु रॉय बहुत ही सच्चे, ईमानदार, निहायत शरीफ एक लेखक हैं, जिनका मानना है कि झूठ बोलना बहुत बुरी बात है और कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते. और उनका जो दोस्त है वो ये है, निहायत ही बदमाश आदमी है और हमेशा झूठ बोलता है. दोनों के बीच में लड़ाइयाँ चलती रहती हैं इस बात को लेकर कि सच बड़ा है कि झूठ बड़ा है, किसकी महत्ता ज़्यादा है. फिर शुभेंदु रॉय को एक दिन इंटरनेट पे एक लड़की से मुलाकात होती है, बातें शुरू होती हैं और बातचीत में वो अपनी उम्र थोड़ा कम करके बता देते हैं. वो कहते हैं कि मैं 24 का हूँ. और फिर जो झूठ का सिलसिला है वो शुरू हो जाता है और अपने झूठ के ताने बाने में वो खुद ही फंस जाते हैं. और उसके बाद क्या होता है वो आप देखेंगे. इस लुक के पीछे सौरभ जी का ही हाथ है. वो चाहते थे मेरे जैसा एक और लेखक इसमें हो, लेकिन एक ही डर था कि बाल फिर वापस नहीं आए तो क्या होगा, सारी ज़िंदगी ऐसे ही हो गया. तो बट लकीली एज यू कैन सी, ये मेरा मानना है कि फिल्म की एक अपनी नियति होती है, एक अपनी डेस्टिनी होती है. इसकी डेस्टिनी में था कि रिलीज़ हो जाए.